Hey guys, this is Bonnie, and tonight we are making the Savory Green Curry Simple Plate with pulled pork from Thrive Life. All of these are freeze-dried ingredients that we're going to be using tonight, and this is actually one of the simple plates, that Thrive Life has. It can be cooked up in 15 minutes. That includes the rice and the pulled pork and vegetables with the curry sauce. And just, it's very, very simple, 4 simple little steps that we're going to be doing tonight. So, to get us started, I do not need any additional ingredients from my pantry. Everything is included in the box. I have a small saucepan on the back burner here that has 2 1/4 cups of water that I'm bringing up to a simmer. And then I also have 3 cups of water in my saute pan here that is on standby for once we start mixing our vegetables and our pulled pork. Okay, so I have my small saucepan of water that's simmering, and I'm going to just kind of turn it down a little bit here, and I'm going to put in my instant brown rice, which you can see on the bag is labeled step 1. Along with our little packet of Chef's Choice seasoning. It's going to go in with the rice. And I'm just going to mix this up a little bit here. And I'm going to simmer that on low for 8 minutes, covered. Okay, next we're going to be focusing on our front saute pan here. I already have 3 cups of water in it, so I'm going to go ahead and add my veggie mix, which, if I take a look on the front of my card here, is red bell peppers, sweet corn, and green peas. Some nice bright colors there. I have my onion slices. And my pulled pork. And I'm just going to give these a little stir just to make sure everything gets mixed in with the water there. Alright, so we want to also bring this up to a simmer. And once it is simmering, we're going to simmer for 7 to 8 minutes. Okay, so the timer just went off for our rice, so we're going to go ahead, take it off the heat, turn this off, and I'm going to set my timer here for 5 minutes, just to let it rest. Now, we have a nice simmer going on our vegetables and our pork. Stirred a couple times. The vegetables are nice and tender. The meat's looking really good. There were a couple of big pieces in here that you just want to check and make sure that they're soft. But I think this is ready for the next step. So we are going to go ahead and move on to step 3, which is our coconut curry sauce mix. So I'm just going to go ahead, sprinkle this in here. And then I'm going to whisk. You can see that's creating a nice thick green curry sauce. Oh, turn that down just a hair. Simmering a little bit too much. I want to make sure I have all that sauce mixed in really nice. Oop. All right. And then we're just going to let that simmer for another 3 minutes. Okay, so now our green curry is done cooking, and I did give it a few minutes to rest after it was done. Rice is all done resting, so I'm going to go ahead and assemble this here and get some rice in my bowl. And remember, this is brown rice with that Chef's Choice seasoning. And then some of my green curry with pulled pork. Making a little bit of a mess here. And you can see the corn, the green peas, the red peppers. Now let's see how it tastes. Really good. It was a coconut curry sauce. So you got a little bit of that sweetness from the curry, or from the coconut, but also just a little bit of a bite from the curry. So really good. I think my family's really going to enjoy this, and I hope yours will too. Thanks. Talk to you later. Bye.